Welcome to Passport to Everywhere. We're a community of individuals aspiring for geographic freedom. We believe that a better quality of life exists beyond our native borders, and we're here to inspire you to explore the world and find your own path to freedom. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Are you tired of living in the same place and dreaming of exploring the world? Do you want to experience new cultures, languages, and lifestyles? If yes, then international living might be the perfect solution for you. International living is a lifestyle that involves living and working in different countries around the world. It provides people with a chance to explore different cultures, languages, and lifestyles while making new friends and connections. Acquiring a second passport is one of the most important steps toward achieving your dream of international living. A second passport provides you with more travel opportunities, greater freedom, and increased security. It also allows you to take advantage of programs and opportunities that are only available to citizens of certain countries. In this video, we will discuss the Turkish Citizenship by Investment program and how it can help you achieve your dream of international living. Acquiring a second passport has numerous benefits for individuals who want to achieve international living. First, a second passport provides you with more travel opportunities. With a second passport, you can travel to more countries without the need for a visa or with a visa on arrival. You can also stay in certain countries for longer periods of time without having to deal with immigration restrictions. Second, a second passport provides you with greater freedom. You can live, work, and do business in more countries without the need for a visa or work permit. A second passport also provides you with greater protection and security, especially if your home country is facing political or economic instability. Lastly, a second passport provides you with access to programs and opportunities that are only available to citizens of certain countries. For example, some countries offer citizenship by investment programs that allow you to obtain citizenship and a passport in exchange for investment in the country. The Turkish Citizenship by Investment program is one such program. The Turkish Citizenship by Investment program was introduced in 2017 to attract foreign investors to the country. The program allows foreign investors to obtain Turkish citizenship by making a minimum investment of $400,000 in real estate, a bank deposit, or a government bond. The program also allows investors to obtain citizenship for their spouse and children under the age of 18. The Turkish Citizenship by Investment program has become increasingly popular among foreign investors due to its relatively low investment threshold and fast processing time. The program also offers numerous benefits to investors, such as tax incentives, access to the Turkish healthcare system, and the ability to live and work in Turkey without the need for a visa or work permit. Before considering the Turkish Citizenship by Investment program as a path to international living, it is important to understand the cost of living and quality of life in Turkey. Turkey is a country that offers a high quality of life at a relatively low cost compared to other European countries. The cost of living in Turkey is approximately 50% lower than in the United States and 30% lower than in Europe. Turkey also has a rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and a diverse cuisine. The country has a Mediterranean climate with hot summers and mild winters, making it an ideal destination for people who enjoy outdoor activities. Turkey is a great destination for international living due to its strategic location, diverse culture, and growing economy. Turkey is located at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, making it a hub for trade and commerce. The country also has a rich cultural heritage, with influences from the Ottoman Empire, Byzantine Empire, and Roman Empire. Turkey's economy is also growing rapidly, with a GDP growth rate of 7% in 2021. The country has a vibrant startup ecosystem and is home to numerous multinational companies. Turkey also has a favorable tax regime for foreign investors, making it an attractive destination for entrepreneurs and investors. The Turkish Citizenship by Investment process is relatively straightforward and can be completed within a few months. The first step is to select a suitable investment option, such as real estate, a bank deposit, or a government bond. Once you have made the investment, you can apply for Turkish citizenship through the Ministry of Interior. The application process involves providing documentation of your investment. such as purchase contracts, title deeds, or bank statements. You will also need to provide documentation of your identity, such as a passport or national ID card. Once your application has been approved, you will receive your Turkish passport and citizenship certificate. Turkish citizenship offers numerous benefits for individuals who want to achieve international living. First, Turkish citizens can travel to over 110 countries without the need for a visa or with a visa on arrival. This includes countries such as Japan, South Korea, and Singapore. Second, Turkish citizens have access to a high-quality healthcare system, with both public and private healthcare facilities available. The country also has a low cost of healthcare compared to other European countries. Lastly, Turkish citizenship provides you with the ability to live and work in Turkey without the need for a visa or work permit. This allows you to take advantage of the numerous business and investment opportunities that Turkey has to offer. Turkish citizenship also provides you with more travel opportunities. Turkey is strategically located between Europe and Asia, making it an ideal destination for travel. Turkey is also a great starting point for travel to other parts of the world. The country has numerous international airports and is home to Turkish Airlines, one of the largest airlines in the world. This makes it easy to travel to other parts of Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. Before applying for Turkish citizenship by investment, there are several factors that you should consider. First, you should consider the investment options available and select an option that is suitable for your needs and budget. You should also consider the cost of living and quality of life in Turkey to determine if it is a suitable destination for you. Second, you should consider the processing time for the citizenship application. While the Turkish Citizenship by Investment program has a relatively fast processing time, it is important to understand the timeline and plan accordingly. Lastly, you should consider the tax implications of obtaining Turkish citizenship. While Turkey has a favorable tax regime for foreign investors, it is important to consult with a tax professional to understand the implications of obtaining Turkish citizenship. In conclusion, the Turkish Citizenship by Investment program is an excellent path toward achieving your dream of international living. It provides you with more travel opportunities, greater freedom, and increased security. Turkey is a great destination for international living due to its strategic location, diverse culture, and growing economy. It's worth noting that in terms of international perception, there are better citizenship by investment programs that currently exist. If that is a priority for you, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll be breaking down those programs in future videos. Before applying for Turkish citizenship by investment, it is important to consider the investment options available, the cost of living and quality of life in Turkey, and the tax implications of obtaining Turkish citizenship. If you are interested in the Turkish Citizenship by Investment program, we recommend consulting with a reputable citizenship by investment firm to guide you through the process. If you found this content helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Passport to Everywhere, for more travel and citizenship-related content. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video from us. If you have any questions, comments, or additional insights on this topic, please leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you.